Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's that time when we're going to look at a new theme for the background pictures of your computer. So I've chosen a new theme that is very nice if you like the night sky, aurora borealis, and so on. This is the theme that I've chosen right now. So you want to change that theme for this one or any other one that might be available. Simply go to your Settings app, right click on the Start menu, Settings. In the settings you'll go to Personalization, and here you will go into Themes. And Themes, you will of course choose the Get More Themes from the Microsoft Store, and of course browse the themes there. What I have chosen is the Northern Lights, available right here. And so this is what you will get in the pictures, beautiful pictures of this night sky. You click the Get button or Install button, depending on what you have. And once that is done, you will actually go back to your themes personalization. You'll see that it's available in one of the themes. So mine is right here. You double click on it. That will actually activate the theme. Just make sure after that in the personalization, you actually, in the background tab, choose the correct picture change. So mine is always 1 hour in my case. And also in the colors, if you want your accent colors to follow the background, for example, for the taskbar and the different windows you have, make sure that accent colors is automatic, and make sure that the show accent colors on start taskbar and accent color in the title bar and windows and borders are on, so that the background color will also follow the color of the theme in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So this is both for Windows 10 and Windows 11, and this is the theme that I've chosen for this week. And of course, a lot of people ask me about these themes. I get every day at least a couple of comments from people saying, hey, where do you get that background? It's just so beautiful. And remember that most of what I actually have in the background is always from the Microsoft Store. They are theme packages that exist there. So check them out. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.